National Highway Authority of India. This is the organization which constructs the national highways all over India and maintains and takes the responsibility of maintenance of all the national highways constructed by and administered by the Highway Authority of India. Every year, the National Highway Authority of India sanctions and awards number of projects to the contractors. This year, this financial year 2026 and 27, the National Highway Authority of India has awarded 54 projects worth 1.8 lakh crores. Means during this year, the National Highway Authority of India is going to spend 1.8 lakh crores on 54 projects spanning 2,400 kilometers. It will award in 26-27. Means the National Highway Authority of India is planning to undertake 54 projects worth 1,80,000 crores spanning 2,400 kilometers during the financial year 2026 and 27. This is, of course, compared to previous year, this is lower than the 124 projects undertaken during the previous year 2025 and 26, where the spanning of construction spanning was 6,376 kilometers and the cost of the projects were awarded were 3,45,000 crores. Of course, current year there are number of projects are less, the amount awarded is also, the quantum of the amount awarded is also less, but all the required projects have been sanctioned and approved by the National Highway Authority and awarded to the contractors for construction to complete the construction within the specified period. Means the new projects during the current financial year 2026 and 27, the National Highway Authority of India has awarded 54 projects spanning 2,400 kilometers spending worth 1,80,000 crores. Out of these 54 projects, Uttar Pradesh will get 7 projects and Telangana will get 6 projects. Madhya Pradesh also gets 6 projects. Maharashtra 5 projects, 6 projects in Telangana, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, 5 projects in Punjab, 4 projects in Gujarat, Karnataka, and 3 projects in Delhi and Andhra Pradesh, 2 projects in Bihar, Jharkhand, and Odisha, 1 project each in Assam, Kerala, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu. In this way, the National Highway Authority of India is planning to construct the projects worth 1,80,000 crores, and the number of projects are 54, and the spanning kilometers are around 2,400 kilometers. Means this is a continuous process. Of course, the previously awarded projects has to be completed, and everything required is on this National Highway Authority of India, we have to see the quality, timely completion, as well as the maintenance of the completed projects is most important. Otherwise, if the quality is lower, the project may become defunct or may not be able to operate or not usable for transportation. The same way, if the maintenance is not good or not maintained properly, the roads will become rust, and that also it will become unusable for the transportation. With this, the National Highway Authority of India is undertaking such 54 projects, out of which 7 for Uttar Pradesh, 6 each for Telangana, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, 5 for Punjab, 4 for Gujarat, Karnataka, 3 in Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, 2 in Bihar, Jharkhand, 1 Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and 1 project each in Assam, Kerala, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu. This is the project planning and of National Highway Authority of India for improving roads, extending the roads, and improving the maintenance, quality maintenance for usable for the transportation sector.